Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and today I'm at Ultimate RC Pit Stop in Sinking Spring, PA, and we are here at the off-road track because we're going to be testing this truck here. This is the Bezgar. We're going to be doing an unboxing with this truck. Normally I like to look around the box to see what's inside. We got a picture of the truck on the front, and on the back it tells you a little bit about what's inside. The package contains 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, model HP161S, accessory package. Doesn't tell you what battery's in there, so I think we're gonna have a surprise for you guys about that. And if you want to buy this truck, I'll leave a link in the description below so that way you guys can pick this up. Let's get it out of the box, check it out, and we're gonna get it on the track. Okay, let's get it opened up here, get the truck out. Very nice, packaged very well. It's got some cardboard wrapped around the tires. Lift the truck out of the box. Looks This is what we have that was inside the box. We have a small screwdriver, wheelie bar, USB charger, 2 AA batteries for the transmitter, 2.4 gigahertz transmitter, nice foam pad on the steering wheel. Got an owner's manual, and inside the owner's manual, this is one of the surprises, but it says it has an 11.1 volt battery. I believe that's 3S. This thing should have a lot of power. This isn't gonna be like your normal 18th scale truck, and that's probably why it says for ages 14 plus, because we're going to have an 11.1 volt battery and we also have a brushless motor. Let's take the body off, check that out. It's got 4 body clips, great color package, perfect colors for the Ovalrc, heavy duty chassis, brushless motor, fan on top of the motor, ESC, your receiver right here on top. Even comes with a Dean's connector, and you turn this small latch right there. You can lift out the battery, and this is our 11.1 volt battery. Let's get this thing back in here. Seems pretty easy to take in and out. You hook this connector here right up to the front of the battery, and the on-off button is right here on the side of the truck. Got some adjustable turnbuckles on the steering. Steel drive shafts. I don't know if the shocks are oil filled, but you can definitely see, I believe the caps are made of metal or maybe plastic, not really sure. The springs are made of metal. They seem to work pretty good. Looks like it has wires going up to the front for LED lighting. It's got a front and rear differential. And this is what the bottom of the truck looks like. All right, enough talking. Let's get the batteries in our transmitter and test it out. Okay, something I forgot when turning on the switch. If you move the switch all the way over to the right, that's 100% throttle. If you move it halfway over, it's 70% throttle. We may have to tune it down a little bit. We'll see how fast this thing is. So this thing has plenty of speed for this small course. This is a fun truck, guys. The name of this truck is Wild, and I can see why, because this thing has tons of power. I'm really surprised. But then again, I'm really not. It's 11.1 volts, 3S LiPo. I mean, I think it's 3S LiPo. Definitely 11.1 volts is what it says inside the book. A lot of power in this small truck. It's a lot of fun. Wow. That's on 100%. Maybe I'll tone it down a little bit to 70%, see what we got. Okay, we're halfway on the switch. That means 70% throttle. Still very fast, but a little bit more manageable. There we had it, about 3/4 throttle at 70% power. Okay, I'll do a quick run through the high grass for you guys. 100% power. I'm still barely touching that throttle. It'll definitely wheelie up in the high grass. You can hardly get it going. 1/4 throttle right there. No trouble getting through this high grass, about a couple inches high. Here we go, 100% power. Oh, almost up and over. Here we go, one more try, 100% throttle, hitting this small jump. Whoa! Here we go, one more time, 100% throttle. Coming up to the jump. Oh, missed the jump. Here we go, one more try, 100% throttle. Ah, almost cleared it, and I didn't quite have 100% throttle at it. Just about dark. We'll take maybe a run or two. We'll see if we can't hit this really big jump here. You know what that usually means. Usually means we break stuff, but let's try it out. 100% throttle, a little bit of battery left. The body's barely hanging on. But this little truck, it lives up to its name. It's wild. Here we go. See if we can do it. Here we go, 100% throttle. Sweet. It was really hard keeping it full throttle and 100%, but when we did, you've seen how far this thing jumped, and you know what? It still works perfect. Steers perfect and plenty of throttle. Guys, really surprised by all the power that the small 18 scale truck had. It's made by Bezgar, B-E-Z-G-A-R, and the truck is called the Wild. 11.1 volts of pure power. You know, most of the day we ran at 70%. I couldn't run it at 100%, except for at the very end when we went over that big jump there, and truck held up very well. The only thing we did was break the rear plastic mount on the back. The front's still fine. Steers great, works totally fine, even after the abuse we put it through today. Totally impressed with this truck. If you'd like to get one of these yourself, links in the description below. Don't forget you can join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc. And please subscribe. I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and we will see you next time.